Alright guys, Sinister the Drone Network coming at you with episode 4 of What's in the Package. So, it's already cut open to save time. We'll just get to it real quick. This is something I ordered with a gift card I got. And, boom! What is that? It's a toolbox. Nah, I'm just kidding. Soldering iron kit off of Amazon. Get this bad boy open, see what it looks like. I'm doing this one-handed, guys, so bear with me. This was $18.99 on Amazon. That's free 2-day shipping because I signed up for that Prime trial. So I figured, why not? What the hell? Get it open here. Cute little tray. Boom. Look at that. This is a 60-watt adjustable temperature soldering iron. How is the temperature adjustable though? Ah, right there. I got a little dial. Come on, focus camera. Hee-haw. Look at that. Nice little tip there. It'll work perfect for working on the drones and soldering RC stuff in general. Very cool. In the kit, we've also got some tweezers. 2 different pair. One's got an angle tip, one's got a straight tip. Very cool. Then we got, oh, came with solder. Did not see that because I was going to go buy some at Walmart today. Perfect. What else do we have here? We have a soldering accessory. What is this? Oh, solder wick. Okay. Very cool. Alright, and these are parts of the stand that it comes with. This is the desoldering wick, I guess you could say. I'm not sure. I'm old school. We had soldering guns when we did our RCs when I was younger. Some screws probably to put together the stand. Yep. Here's the stand base here. Very cool. It's metal or aluminum. Very nice. You got your soldering tips right here. Bunch of them there. Let me get the light. There we go. And the little sponge that goes into the stand here for you to clean off your solder tip. I'll have to read the instructions. I'm just doing a quite quick overview here. And here's your soldering iron manual, which I'll look through because you never know what you're going to find in there. So I bought this because I had a crappy one from Walmart that didn't work worth a flip. So yeah, I wanted a soldering station, but I seen the deal on this. It's a pretty good deal. It's got a little toolbox and everything, so I can keep everything together and not lose stuff, because we lose stuff around here. That's what we do. So anyhow, this concludes my 4th episode of What's in the Package. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. And I'll be putting this rig to a lot of good uses. Catch you in the next one, guys.